Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So this one's a bit of a different one. So I've got the gearbox out of a GTD. The clutch pedal wasn't operating correctly, and what's happened is, and you couldn't see this, normally you can see this between the joint of the bell housing and the actual block of the engine itself, but this time it's kind of concentrated itself backwards. It's sat in this recess, the brake fluid has, or the clutch fluid, and not gone past here, so it's hidden itself very well. And if we could just get you in here, so this is the slave cylinder. It's hydraulic on this case and it's leaking. Now what's happened is it's losing the pressure, and obviously clutch pedal's then not holding the pressure and operating. This is what's gone on, but it's hidden itself. So you could have gone down the route of master cylinder because you can't see a leak, or you could advise the customer that you want to see the box out like this one, just to make sure that that's not happened, because I could have put a master cylinder in it and spent a load of money on a load of customer money and it not actually fixed it. So I'm glad I've done this. Just thought I'd bring you along just to show you it can always catch you out. So do your diagnostics the best way that you can, and of course if you do need to remove items, unfortunately that is what it is, otherwise you could be hiding something like this. So I thought I'd bring you along for this one, guys. Thank you very much for coming along. Like and share, gets me so I can bring you some more great content like this, and hopefully help you diagnose some things for yourself.